everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete your Bereal account. Scroll down and open your Bereal application. Make sure to sign in on your Bereal account. On the upper right corner, you will see the profile icon of Bereal account. Tap on it and tap on three dotted line on the upper right corner, and this will take you to the setting page. You need to tap on Other. You can see here Delete Account option. Tap on Delete Account. So you need to select the reason why you want to delete your account. Once you have chosen the reason why you want to delete your BeReal account, tap on Yes, I am sure. But before that, if you change your mind, then you can easily log in within the 15 days and your account will be no longer deleted. But if you want to delete your account permanently, then don't log in your account in those 15 days after you delete your account. Now tap on Yes, I am sure, and to confirm, tap on Yes, I am sure again. So your BeReal account has already been deleted. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.